Your coworker just mentioned our company's name and how excited she was working with us as a lead hand on that site. You got intrigued, picked up the phone, and called. One of our friendly team members explained what is expected of skilled labor. In addition to all qualities of semi-skilled labor, the skilled labor has knowledge in construction, works independently and unsupervised, takes initiative and thinks outside the box, has basic scaffolding building knowledge, certified in counterbalance forklift, in aerial boom lift and scissor lift, telehandler and skid steer loader, has basic knowledge in rigging and hand signals, able to assist in steel stud framing and wood framing, installs insulation and vapor barrier, assists in drywall procedures, assists in painting preparation and has basic painting knowledge, can assist in waterproofing, knowledge of most hand tools and power tools, knowledge in measuring and snapping lines, and assisting in layout. Our goal is to help you to develop leadership skills and become a lead hand or work towards a specific industry trade. Most superintendents on site at some point were where you are right now. In construction industry, when you gain knowledge backed up by experience, it would allow you to move through the ranks rapidly. It would all depend on you and your drive. Be relentless. I know you can do it. I believe in you. And as always, follow me for more.